how to express 5 over 8 as a decimal. So we need to divide numerator 5 by the denominator 8. 8 goes into 5 how many times? 0 times. As 5 is less than 8, 0 times 8, 0. Subtract 5. To continue this process, take here decimal, add number of zeros. That is, we are converting whole number into decimal. Bring down the first 0. Before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 8 goes into 50 how many times? 6 times. 6 times 8, which is 48. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. 8 goes into 20 how many times? 2 times. 2 times 8, 16. Subtract, we are getting 4. Bring down another 0. 8 goes into 40 how many times? 5 times. 5 times 8, that gives us 40. Subtract, we are getting 0. So as our remainder is 0, we are done. So our answer is 0.625. 5 over 8 as a decimal is 0.625.